क्या तुम्हें नौकरी मिल गई? Did you find a job? Did you find a job? You can say, have you found a job? Have you found a job? हाँ, मुझे जॉब मिल गई. Yes, I got the job. Yes, I got the job. ये हुई ना बात. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. यह तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा है. It's good for you. It's good for you. किसने सोचा होगा? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? कि ऐसा हो जाएगा. That will happen. That will happen. मुझे अच्छे से याद है. I remember it well. I remember it well. उसने मुझसे क्या कहा था? What did he tell me? What did he tell me? यह तो उसकी अच्छाई है. This is good of him. This is good of him. कि उसने तुम्हें माफ कर दिया. That he forgave you. That he forgave you. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Everything happens for the best. Everything happens for the best. इसे जोर से धक्का मारो. Give it a hard push. Give it a hard push. यह तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. यह बिल्कुल नया जैसा हो जाएगा. It will be as good as new. It will be as good as new. मुझे जुकाम हो गया है. I have a cold. I have a cold. You can say, I have got a cold. I have got a cold. उससे बात करो इस बारे में. Talk to him about it. Talk to him about it. तुम हर समय हर किसी को खुश नहीं रख सकते. You can't please everyone all the time. You can't please everyone all the time. जब तक मैं तैयार ना हो जाऊं, बाहर इंतजार करो. Wait outside until I am ready. Wait outside until I am ready. क्या तुम्हें यह पसंद है? Do you like it? Do you like it? मुझे यह बहुत पसंद है. I love this. I love this. यह मेरा पसंदीदा खाना है. This is my favorite food. This is my favorite food. इतना शर्माने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to act so shy. There is no need to act so shy. बुरी आदतें छोड़ना मुश्किल है. It's difficult to break bad habits. It's difficult to break bad habits. मुझे नहीं नाचना है. I don't want to dance. I don't want to dance. मुझे बिल्कुल भी नाचना नहीं आता. I am not good at dancing. I am not good at dancing. मैं 1 मिनट में आया. I will be back in a minute. I will be back in a minute. वह तुमसे मिलकर खुश हो जाएगी. She will be happy to see you. She will be happy to see you. मेरा इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा गया। My interview went really well. My interview went really well. अच्छा हुआ तुम आ गए। Good you are here. Good you are here. मैं तुम्हारे ही बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. आज हम यह काम पूरा कर लेंगे। Today we will complete this work. Today we will complete this work. हमारे पास पूरा दिन नहीं है। We don't have all day. We don't have all day. तुम्हें मजाक लग रहा है। You find it funny. You find it funny. और सभी कहाँ हैं? Where are others? Where are others? वे आ ही रहे होंगे। They must be coming. They must be coming. लेकिन कब? What when? What when? बस थोड़ी देर में है। Just in a while. Just in a while. थोड़ी ही देर में वे तुम्हारे साथ होंगे। They will be with you in a while. They will be with you in a while. तुम थोड़ी देर आराम कर सकते हो। You can relax for a while. You can relax for a while. उसकी किसी से नहीं पटती। She doesn't get along with anyone. She doesn't get along with anyone. मैंने अपना वादा निभाया। I kept my promise. I kept my promise. मुझे किस बात का डर? What have I to fear? What have I to fear? तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so irresponsible? How could you be so irresponsible? तुम यहाँ से मत हिलना। You don't move from here. You don't move from here. मैं तुम्हारे बिना यहाँ से हिलूंगी भी नहीं। I won't budge from here without you. I won't budge from here without you. ऐसी रोंदू शक्ल लेकर मत जाना। Don't go with this weepy face. Don't go with this weepy face. ये इतना उलझा नहीं हुआ है। It's not that complicated. It's not that complicated. तुम्हें मेरा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए। You should thank me. You should thank me. क्या वह कुछ कह रहा है? Is he saying anything? Is he saying anything? मैंने हमेशा आपकी बात मानी है। I have always listened to you. I have always listened to you. मैं तुम्हें अंदर करवा दूंगा। I will have you arrested. I will have you arrested. अगर मैं पकड़ा गया तो? What if I got caught? What if I got caught? तुम इससे दूर रहो। You stay out of this. You stay out of this. मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है। I am not used to it. I am not used to it. तो आदत डाल लो। Then get used to it. Then get used to